Hi, I'm Todd from Kansas, and I'm going to do a OmniShaver speed test. And so I just got out of the shower, and I'm going to get my hair a little bit wet. The OmniShaver likes lubrication, it says. And I'm going to get the OmniShaver a little bit wet and put on some shaving cream. Oh, and here's my hair before. And that's all the setup I'm going to do. And start shaving now with the OmniShaver. And my favorite thing so far with the OmniShaver is not necessarily how fast it is, but when I'm finished, it's much smoother than other razors. So I'm going to go over just back and forth, long strokes, and do a little bit in the back until I can hear that it stops shaving. And go over one more time up here in the front. And rinse it off. Don't need to rinse it during the shaving. And there's the after. Completely smooth. Don't think I missed any spots. There it is.